Hi guys, this is Kalyan Karmakar here and I'm with Amreen and Seema of the Bombay Street Food in Toronto, and it's their restaurant which is a tribute to Mumbai, and we are at the Kayani restaurant in Mumbai, which is as good a place as it gets to come to try out Mumbai food. This is my first visit here and it's thanks to both of you, and we met a year and a half back when we were sort of showing them places in Mumbai which they took back as inspiration, and a year and a half later your restaurant is 7 months old, doing pretty good. I was writing a book then, the book is out and it's a month old now.
Sold out everywhere.
So yeah, so it's been good to catch up again, and lovely coming to Kayani, which is like opened in 1904, so that makes it 112 years old. It was opened by a gentleman called Mr. Warasban, which is also the name of my late father-in-law, and the current owner, Mr. Farouk's family, took it in the 1950s. We had a sort of brunch here. So this is the Parsi poro, the Parsi spicy omelette, which tastes exactly the way my mother-in-law, who's a Parsi, makes for it. The keema was so good, it's almost over, and very good quality meat. High on spices, but not on chili heat. Not smelly at all, because some of the famous Irani keemas tend to be a bit smelly. We demolished sali chicken. This is not the Jardalu sali chicken, so it's not sweet. It doesn't have figs. It's sort of a chicken curry. It tastes more like a North Indian chicken curry with sali in it. And the dhan saag was served with the pulao, not the brown rice. It's a very Irani restaurant like dhan saag, so very thick in terms of consistency, a lot of texture, and the waiter and the pav and everything was so good. It's you can see a bit of the pav there, but it's all finished, and the waiter insisted that we try the chicken puff, and it was so soft, wasn't it? And you guys were saying that the pav was one of the best you've had, and you've been having it across Bombay.
Yeah.
So before we end, perhaps, and the mawa cake and it's warm, you know. And when I came in, the aromas of this mawa cake really welcomed me. So that over there, the counter is Mr. Farouk, and he runs it now, and his family has taken it over in 1954. So this is Kalyan signing off with Seema and Amreen, and there's Andrea as well, and they've all come in from Toronto, and there's Eric, who's helped design it. And here's all of us saying bye from Kayani. See you guys, take care.